Good morning. Alright, so I thought I'd take the opportunity to get up a bit early and show you the damage from the floods with all this rain in Townsville. So I actually live out of Blue Water, guys, and that's where like the major flooding is happening. So as you can see behind me, this is Blue Water Creek. So I'm going to take you guys on a little tour and show you some of the flood water and all the damage, so check it out. So we'll start off down Blue Water Creek because that's where I live. I live at Blue Water, so this is the creek behind me. You can see on all these paperbark trees, guys, the high water level, which is right up there. So it actually went over this bridge on Wednesday. So it's Sunday now, and I do have some footage on my phone from Wednesday that I'll show you guys. Fucking hell! Wow, look at this deep creek. I've never seen this before. There's Bullymore Wreckers. This is the highway. I've never seen this much water before. Bruce Highway near Blue Water, just coming up to Blue Water Drive. It's under the waters over the road from Deep Creek all the way past Bullymores heading north. This is crazy. I don't think I've seen this much water over the highway before. Blue Water Drive. I live down there, down that creek. Fucking hell. That is insane. You are gonna die, Corolla. You are not gonna make it, buddy. Fucking stupid woman. Well, this is Blue Water Drive coming up to the highway. See how deep it is. Later, but I just wanted to give you a look at this. So there's the high water level. So my car would have been completely underwater. So that was underwater. Alright, well that's Blue Water Creek. Let's keep going. You can see the high water mark pushing all the grass flat. This is insane. I've lived out here. I've lived out of Blue Water my whole life, and I've never seen the water go over this train bridge before, but we'll get up on top and I'll give you a look. Have a look at this. There won't be any trains coming along here for a while, guys. But that's the primary school too. That's Blue Water Primary School, just to give you an idea where I am if you're from Townsville. So yet again, car would have been completely underwater. You can see the water come clean over the top of the train bridge. That is just crazy how far the water came up. Like all along here, have a look at that bark line where the water's rubbed off the bark on these paperbark trees. I'll zoom in a bit on this so you can have a better look, guys. Hope you're not scared of heights. I'll keep going for a walk along here. That is pretty wild. So today is Sunday, pretty sure I already said that, but the rain started on Wednesday. We've had patches, like little breaks in between, but it's pretty much rained non-stop the whole time. The highway's been blocked half a dozen times, I can't even count. We haven't been able to get in to get groceries. It did open up yesterday for a period of time, but all the supermarkets sold out of food like that. It's pretty wild. So the time right now, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. We've got a high tide at around 9, so we've still got 3 hours before high tide comes in. And this rushing out with the tide trying to rush in, it's a 3.4 metre tide, so it's decent. We can probably expect some flooding again, but have a look at this. So you can see the water's come over here and swirled up and scooped all the rocks out, so that's a pain in the ass if you work for Queensland Rail. But righto, that's the train bridge. Let's keep going. The old 80 series loves this weather. Look at her down there, she's in her element. I'm not going to go driving through any flood water, guys, because I know the coppers will probably find me if they see this video. No doubt someone will dob on me. That's the internet for you. But if you know me personally, hit me up, we'll go for a drive. Alright guys, so we're just going to head down through the bush track here and head out to the beach. I want to head out to the beach and show you that before the tide comes in, because I won't be able to get anywhere near it otherwise, and it's pretty impressive. I want to show you guys, so hang in there. Holy fuck. Okay, well, that's not good. Oh, bandicoot. That's really not good. That's not good either. Holy shit. Alright, I'm just gonna see if I can winch myself out, guys, and we'll keep going. Alright, well that didn't work, so plan B is probably that gum tree there. Oh, that big one. Damn it. Alright guys, little update. We are now down the beach. Oh, not the beach, the boat ramp. So this is what it's flowing like at the moment. And you'll see that boat is on the wrong side. Now I'm going to show you a photo of where that boat was yesterday. So check this out. Yeah, that's not supposed to be like that. So the water's still flowing hard and tide is coming in. So you can see that's the way the ocean is. The tide's supposed to be coming this way, guys. So yeah, I think freshwater's winning this battle at the moment. You will also notice there's a different car behind me. That's due to the fact that 80 series is still bogged real bad. So this wasn't a 4-wheel drive recovery movie, so that's why I just walked home and grabbed another car so I could finish off this floodwater stuff. But I might do a little bonus thing at the end of this video showing you if I manage to get it out or not. I sort of hope I do. So there you go, that's up the creek, and behind me this way is the mouth of like the ocean. So there you go. Alright, we'll keep on trucking. Alright guys, so while we're driving back to try and get the 80 series out of the mud, I thought I'd give you a little bit of a talk about what's been going on. So this weather event, they're calling it a 1 in 100 year weather cycle, or weather event. I don't know if it's a cycle or not, but the dam has hit, I believe it's record numbers. Like the capacity as of right now, I'll Google it and find out and I'll put it on the screen. Last night it was near critical levels, so they were talking about opening the floodgates up to full noise. So that's letting out this many cubic litres per second. I think it was 1,000. I don't know. I'm not going to make that up because I'll look like a dickhead, but yeah, I'll put it on the screen so you know what I'm talking about. Now, in my head, I figured that out. You know those 1,000 litre pods that you see on the back of trucks that hold fertiliser and molasses and all that sort of stuff, those big white cubes? That's how I figured it, like however many thousand of them going over the damn wall per second. Like, that's a crazy amount of water. But I'll chuck up a couple of photos that I've just got off my mates on Facebook around town and show you how crazy this water level is, man. Like, in town's copping it bad now. Blue Water was like copping the worst of it for the first few days, but I think it's sort of moving slowly south into town. But rightio, wish me luck. Alright, bonus footage time, guys. So here's that lovely track we were trying to take a shortcut through. There's the lowered 80 series. Yeah, it sucks. Uncle Trent showed up to save the day. We got another winch. Mine keeps breaking the rope.
This is going to cost some beers.
Yes, sir. We got max tracks, high lift jacks, you name it, we got it. Beer. Dan the Harley man's here. That's a tree that I nearly got out on before I pulled the fucking thing over. So we're tying the winch rope again for the second time to see if we can get some traction off this thing. Do you reckon we put that tree trunk protector up higher to try and pop us out?
No, because then you got lever on the roots.
Yeah, no, it won't pull that one over, will it? Famous last words. What a fucking shit day.
So the theory is that should be good rope because it's always on the spool.
Yeah, that's a good knot.
It is.
What do you call that?
Fucking, I don't know.
If you can't tie knots, tie lots.
Yeah.
Alright, so Uncle Trent's brought his cruiser in. That seems to be all hard ground here. I just found the only wet patch in Australia, so this is the big tree we're going to try and winch off. We don't want to lever it up too high because the ground's as wet as something really wet. Yeah.
Double it back!
Alright, so plan F.
I think it's about F.
It's about F. Uncle Trent's going to show us a knot that you tie when you break your winch rope.
When you can actually, like this is actual knot you can undo. Paying attention.
No, I don't need to.
Loop.
I know how to tie knots.
One loop. Rabbit. Goes up the hole, around the tree, back down the hole. Will not come undone, and you will be able to undo it once weight comes on.
You beauty. What do you call that?
A knot.
The rabbit knot.
Waste of time telling you inside.
Make sure you keep recording that because when that weight goes and it goes.
4 hours in. Moved about 6 inches, so that's not too bad.
It took that max truck under there, wouldn't take that one.
Yeah. As soon as this front pops up, this ground's pretty sweet. It's as firm as Dan's abs, so we should be fucking, we should be fine and dandy.
If you like, I can lay under it. You get some drive off these bad boys.
We got it half out. Go, 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 go! Pull up! Yeah, he's not stopping. Holy shit, man.
Yeah, that's what it's like for 6 feet.
Nice.
Then you can,
Ah!
then the layer come down there.
Wow.
There's one in there too. Ah!
Is there one in this hole?
Yeah, there's one in all. Yeah.
This one's gone, man. I can't even feel that. Oh, no, there it is.
You alright?
Oops, why'd you stop?
No, it's still going. It's just the screen goes black.
Okay. How do you bring her up again?
Just tap the back of it.
Oh, I got you, yep. Like a little phone.
Yeah, like an iPhone.
Get out of there, stop playing mud puddles.
Thanks, mate. Alright, we'll get out of here. Holy shit, dude.
Go full driving these things.
Alright, clear it up, pack it all up, and you get the fuck out here as fast as you can.
Now, who else wants to have a go? See? Holy shit.
You went back through it.
That's what it's supposed to look like.
Once again, had the GoPro off. I
Yeah.
was actually getting the front of it out the first time.
Yeah, cheers, Dan. Always catching the action.
Shut up, I've seen it. Just because you guys weren't here.
Well, holy shit, boys and girls. That was a mission and a half. Hey, Chef. We got out of that bog, finally. The time is 10:08. Now I was up at 5 doing this, remember? So this concludes the Townsville blue water flood water video because I'm going home. So we still need to get out of this truck. Which I need Trent to get off of before I go anywhere. So, oh man, what a day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Got a little bit of insight into what's going on up here. It's pretty full on, man. It's pretty full on. But the rain has stopped now, but yeah, we get those little gaps of no rain for a while, but we're done. We've had it since Wednesday, it's Sunday, so that's enough. Send it down south to the guys who need it. It's happening out at Cloncurry, and all the graziers and farmers out west are getting a bit of rain, so that's good. But Toowoomba, Brisbane, you guys need this, so hopefully I'll send it your way because I'm done. But alright guys, I'm going now. Give it a thumbs up. If you haven't pressed subscribe already, do that. Chevy wants you to, and we'll catch you on the next video, eh? See you later, eh? Alright, so as we usually do, we called it early. The front end's out, but the back end's not. So we were bogged way back there. We were nearly home and free. Nearly. Damn it. That's that tree we were winching off. So as you can tell, didn't quite make it out. Then called Uncle Trent back on the radio. Whoop. Shit, you see, that's why you get stuck. Chevy's chilling in the back. Now he's overplaying in the water. Called Uncle Trent back to get us out, and he got stuck. So I'll show you what's going on. This was supposed to just be a look at floodwater video, but I suppose this is what happens if you go full driving in floodwater. So, ooh. There we go. So we're winching off the. Oh, far out.
That's what I stepped in.
I know, it's deep, man. We're winching off the base of that tree there. We better get out of the way so he can do it. But this part of the track's hard as, but as you can see, this has just got nothing at all. We are in all sorts, ladies and gentlemen. There you go, mate.
Oh, great. Come and help you, they said.
Thanks for your help, buddy.
No worries, mate, anytime.
Should just be an easy, quick winch and we'll be out of here, eh?
Lucky idea.
Yep. Yes, I do. Man, that is just slop.
Max truck.
Here we go, it's coming.
Max truck just kicked out.
It was just about to pop up, dude.
Yeah, that wheel went down on the back side.
Oh, really?
It's starting to go.
It's just starting to go down.
The front was just starting to come up.
That's why I kept going.
Yeah. There you go. Hang on to that. Don't drop it in the water.
I won't.
Alright, well, we've got the front end up of Trent's car now. All this shit's hard. It's just as soon as you go off the side, you sink in like that. Imagine on your way 3 ton what's going to happen. Wait. So what's the plan here, Uncle Trent?
Plenty of right foot, mate.
Right foot.
Right foot through your fucking diesel. We'll whack some dinosaur through those injectors and just give it what for.
Yep. Okay.
And
Because we are here, we need to get way over there. But to get over there, we need to get through here. Which, as you can see, is a bit of a mess. Oh man, what a day. It's nearly lunchtime. Started at 5.
I've got no idea what time it is now.
Well, it's got to be lunchtime, doesn't it?
11:05.
11:05, there you go. But
Had about an hour today here.
this should be pretty good to watch regardless. What do you reckon? And I'm still bogged down there too. The front end's up, but the back slipped out, so. This is like the 4-wheel drive of a version of a power skid. I think I'm gonna go on this side.
Ready?
What's the plan, mate? High 4, full noise?
High 4, full noise.
Here we go.
That was awesome.
We can't go back this way.
Fuck.
You didn't even get up on the max tracks.
We didn't even put them down.
Put on the max tracks. Huh? You didn't get up on the max tracks.
Damn it! Alright, I need to winch you backwards.
Yeah, if you come here, you're going to go down.
I know, but I can winch forward. He can't winch backwards. We don't have a choice. Alright. We got mine out. Trent's went in from here. And we're inching it back with max tracks. Just like roll it back a meter, pull them out, move it further back, pull them out, put it behind, and we're just inching our way out now, so eat it. Straight back. Straight, yep. Whoop. Oh, fuck, can you grab that one out or nah? You
Down a little bit.
Go a little bit more. Whoa. You should be right now, man.
Yeah, don't say that.
I don't want to call it early. You know what I'm like. Righto, mate. Yeah, I think you should be right now. Go that way a little bit. Yep, that's it. Now straight. Straighten up. Now go. Go, go, go.
Let's have a look at this. Look at that fucking dog. And we're down. No! Don't go! Too far over!
I can't stop filming. The people need to see this. It's all part of the adventure. You fucking assholes.
I don't even know where I put my beer. I think that's it there. But I'm not sure.
It's right there.
Got peeing there before.
You might have peed in it.
Hopefully I did.
Bear Grylls drinks his piss all the time. He'll be fine.
That's what grip. Yeah. That's what I want.
Oh, this side's about to turn to shit too.
That side's better than this side.
Oh, that's true. Like the road is only like 150 metres that way.
Yeah.
We are so close. We are so close. Yeah, this side's fucked.
We take these two.
Stop.
You want another one that side, Dan?
Hey?
Got another one that side.
Yeah, please. If you got one.
Just roll around.
Nice.
Yeah, you're up. Stop. Stop.
Pick your mates carefully, boys and girls.
You've always made poor life decisions.
Learn from my mistakes. Too bad it wasn't a crack.
Fucking easy.
Is that it? 2 big, 3 little?
Look, one of the pieces is broken off.
Oh, that's alright, mate. I'm happy for it to be broken.
As long as it works.
Stop!
And there we are. We're all out. After all that, we're out. Yeah.
You know what SkidPig stands for in real language?
What?
Big-headed wanker.
He's bloody arsehole. Bloody arsehole, James. Bloody arsehole, mate. Alright. That's it, we're done.
Fucking hope we're done.
We're out. What's time? 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We're out.
Time for a hose down and about.
Thanks to these two champions. Oh my god. So much for a fucking shortcut to show you guys how to get to the beach. So needless to say, that's the end of the fucking video for the 5th time. Because I continued to call it early, but I'm done now. Seriously, like, I'm right there, that's the road, I'm fucking finished, so...
We're going to change to a fall on a tree across that track so no one else can.
Yeah, fuck this track, man. Alright, cheers. I got nothing left to say except fuck the rain, send it south, we're done. See you later.